everybody, Joel G7.3 got another good one for you today, folks. And in this video today, we're going to be installing the Kryptonite Stage 3 leveling kit on my 2009 GMC 2500 HD Duramax, Draxa Duramax. Oh god! Oh, I almost ran into somebody. It's not good to be filming and driving, but whatever. Did I mention it's a Duramax? I don't know if I did. It comes with 2 front shocks, 2 rear shocks, and the 2 front upper control arms. Oh, and new keys. So I'll be showing y'all a baseline how to do it all. I know there's more videos online on how to properly put these in, but if you want to check out some other videos, I make truck videos, truck content, all that type of stuff, and even videos just for your entertainment. So if you want to check that out, subscribe today. If not, like I always say, no worries. All right, we're gonna get this install started and get this biatch rolling. Got the big monies. Already took the nice piece of styrofoam out. Comes with some nice instructions. Yeah. So we got the upper control arms. God yes. Big money. Got some bolts. So that's the first box. We got second box. So now in the second box I went with the Bilstein shocks. These I believe are the front rear shocks, and these should be the keys. Oh god, yes. Yeah, me too. When I first seen the box, I was like, please don't tell me they're blue and yellow.
That shit would have been mint.
Already got the lift on it. The lift as in the one to raise it, not the lift kit. You can bust these nuts with the Ryobi. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah, that's right.
I'm gonna wheel it outside. William's got some cute tires in the plate.
Holy shit. It's like the best part about having them things. Alright, so we had to rent a key removal tool. God, yes. So it says to start with those first.
See the one poking his head out?
Alright, so we're gonna get torsion key removed, boy. Change it out, put the new one in. I can totally he's whipping out the measuring tape. It's marked at 4
It's like, oh, that's my wife's measuring tape. It skips 3 and 4 and goes straight to 6.
There's no 3 on that. 1, 2, 5, 6.
Yeah.
Alright, so we got the Lorena tool. So we got it on the dimple, got it on the inside dimple. We're gonna shindig because you gotta take the tension off of it.
On 3.
Not sponsored.
Why is that?
Oh yeah, she on 3.
It's 9 millimeters.
Put that bitch on 3.
Hold around.
Yes. So we're gonna release the tension back down slowly. Then we're gonna get the key out. Pull the tool off. Now we got the key loose. We gotta take the torsion bar and push it that way. Oh, can't get it by hand. So we push the torsion bar out, and we got the key out. We're gonna grab the new one. Put it back up in there. We'll put the tool back on there.
You ready, Joel?
That would be. Tighten.
Dang, it's almost like you've done it before.
Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, got her all
Sweet.
all oiled up. I can't hear anything after running that thing.
Yeah, that thing's loud as heck.
I hate this thing.
This is on video.
It is. I hate this thing.
That was for the.
Should I just leave them at the same, both at 4 1/4?
Sure.
Alright, I'm leaving both at 4 1/4. Alright, and that's the torsion key.
Well,
And
action.
So I just pulled off the old brake line so we can drop the upper control arm or break it loose. Removing the nut off the upper control arm of the A-frame right here. It's an 18 millimeter. Alright, so now I'm taking off the bolts that hold the two sides of the upper control arm off. Got a wrench on that side because it's one side of the bolt's flat, so it's kind of like a carriage bolt.
am I helping? Boss man? Am I helping you? Oh, never mind. The other side we'd use a crescent wrench to hold the threads. So he's just using an adjustable on it because we're too lazy to take
Give me
the
some
fender well out.
WD-40 up there.
WD-40.
See that spray bottle?
So you want to make sure that you got a jack stand under it because all the weight's on this. I thought the point of doing the other side first was so that this side we could look like we know what we were doing. Alright, so we got the old shock junk. This thing you can like compress it, but it's dented.
Probably for
Junk, we got
junk.
We got the new Bill Steve boy. So you take this doohickey, boom, yes, and then this goes on top. The rope all tied up.
She is sturdy.
Got to tighten up the top of the shock. Also the top of the shock.
Oh wait, don't do that yet. Oh, maybe not.
Now you probably just put it in the vise. Oh, fuck. Whoopsies. William wasn't watching.
You only get no pay if the arms got those they got docks in them.
Dude, I thought it was cracked.
Stands for shit. Like it'll tell you if it's metric or American when you read it. I don't know. I still have the package.
Tighten up these bolts with our torque wrench.
I got a calibrated wrist right here. See, calibrated.
Yeah. Okay, so we also had to put on the bump stop, just like that. And then I actually had to get from Advance another bolt for the passenger upper control arm. We stripped the old one, as you can see.
Like a glove. Stop right there.
What are you doing? I guess I gotta pump grease in the fittings.
Yeah.
And then put a little bit of grease in. So to put the brake line back on, I just put the same nut with same bolt with a nut I found. Back over here. Greasing them up, boy. God, yes.
Grease up the brake pads.
Yeah, grease up the brake pads. They're a little dry. This is our finished product. And Bilstein shocks. Get it?
That one's terrible. I think the other one's easy. But you should see where you gotta have the the suck-in breaker bar up in there.
Really?
It would have been a lot easier with the wrench.
Oh, damn.
I think this.
Damn. You gotta compress it anyways, but it's crazy how much higher this truck is now.
Gosh.
What?
The lovely kid lifted it like 8 inches.
I know, right? Some of those door, I'm gonna die in here. It's amazing what a leveling kit could do to a truck. It's amazing what a leveling kit can do to a truck. God, yes. Woo. Feels like a whole new truck now. Currently just dropped off the torsion bar key tool you'll need. And if this truck stays at this height, I'm gonna definitely need some steps. I think it's out of alignment and I think it's turned way up because the new control arms are hitting and there's no room for the bump stops. So I'll show y'all real quick. We did our best. Shout out to RJ and William helping me out, doing most of the work. Appreciate them for helping, and they were there to make this video possible. All right, so we're gonna cut to when we finally get it fixed, and hopefully it stays at this height. I actually like this height. It's a little squatted, but who cares? All right, so what we got here, because my hands got all greasy, or else I would just hold the camera myself. I didn't show, we got the stock upper control arms, not in bad shape. They just got replaced. As you can see, definitely a lot different than the Kryptonite ones. Not bad. Got it. You can see I got all my stuff very neatly in the back here. We got one of the stock keys, upper control arms, torsion bar keys, front shocks, rear shocks. That was the whole kit. Got boy Clayton on the camera once again. Hey Clayton, show me your outfit.
Oh no!
Show me your outfit. Oh God, yes.
School outfit.
Professional. This is the uniform that I make Clayton wear when he films. Yes.
It's my work uniform. It's my work outfit.
That's Clayton's work uniform for when he's filming for me. So this is currently what it looks like on pretty flat ground. It was only a 2-inch leveling kit, so it is now, in my opinion, perfectly straight. Oh, let's do that sound boy. Oh, sexy. All right, everybody, appreciate everybody for watching. This has been Joel G7.3 installing the leveling kit. And I'm very happy with the way it is now, and now it sits perfectly level. As you can see before, it was nose diving. As you can see before, the truck was nose diving and it was irritating me beyond. And actually the ride quality of this leveling kit rides smoother than butter. So I would highly recommend that you go out and you buy one of these Kryptonite leveling kits. Buy once, cry once. Don't go cheap. Don't buy just the keys because it's gonna ride like complete shit. So I appreciate everybody for watching. It's been Joel G7.3. Shout out to everybody for helping, and I will catch y'all on the flip side. Caught the hat, boy. We out, son. I'm just gonna go back up here and sit for like 2 hours and just admire all this beauty of this truck right here. God, yes. Oh God, yes. Look at that thing. It's gonna make the truck look even better. Make the truck look bad with these nice control arms on it. God, yes. Oh shit, there's a police right here. If you don't believe me. Oopsies. Excuse me.